In our book, Artificial Intelligence for Business Creativity, co-edited with Renaud Champion, we have discovered 3 essential lessons that highlight how AI can actually inspire managerial creativity. Firstly, AI has the remarkable ability to process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and generate valuable insights. This wealth of information can serve as a wellspring of inspiration for managers. Secondly, AI excels at automating repetitive tasks, freeing up human cognitive resources. This newfound freedom allows individuals to devote more time and energy to the imaginative and groundbreaking aspects of their work. Lastly, AI can be a collaborative partner, enhancing human abilities rather than replacing them. This symbiotic relationship between humans and AI expands the horizons of creativity, encouraging experimentation and exploration of new approaches. I would like to illustrate this through 3 key dimensions. Firstly, AI can revolutionize new product design. Take the automotive industry, for instance. By leveraging AI algorithms, companies can analyze customer preferences, market trends, and engineering data. This wealth of insights allow them to generate innovative vehicles designs that precisely align with consumer demands. This result is a shortened product development process and the introduction of cutting-edge customer-centric designs. Moving on to new process design, which is the second dimension, imagine a manufacturing company implementing AI-powered robotic automation. By streamlining production processes, minimizing errors, and boosting overall efficiency, human resources are freed up to focus on strategic and creative aspects of their work. Lastly, AI facilitates a new organizational collaboration. For example, in the healthcare sector, AI-powered platforms connect healthcare providers, researchers, and patients, enabling the seamless exchange of knowledge and expertise in this emerging ecosystem. And this collaboration enhances medical research, leads to faster and more accurate diagnosis, and fosters the development of highly effective treatment options. Our book serves as a practical guide for companies eager to harness AI's power for innovation. It provides a simple and clear roadmap consisting of 8 guidelines that help augment business creativity using AI. To provide tangible insights, we include real case studies featuring companies from various industries. Our book goes beyond the theory. It offers actionable recommendations to navigate the complex landscape of AI-driven innovation. Whether a company is just starting its AI journey or looking to optimize existing AI initiatives, our book provides the necessary expertise and clarity to effectively harness AI's transformative power, fostering creativity and driving business success.